This is Eric Muadhe with Muadhe.com. The only reason why I am making this video, and today is August the 19th, 2009, and the reason why I'm making this video again is because I just want to put it out there on record that given where the Dow is trading right now at 9286, the Nasdaq is trading at 1967, give or take, and the S&P is trading just a little bit under 1,000. My prediction for the rest of the year is that more than likely, given where the Nasdaq is trading right now, right around here, is that we are eventually gonna work our way. It's not gonna be a straight shot, it's not gonna be easy, but the fact of it is that from where I sit, we are gonna come and bounce and hit this 50, try and find support there. Eventually we'll break it, come to the 200 day, we'll try and find support there and break it, and then eventually, and most importantly, we are eventually gonna break this March 2009 lows. Now, before you discredit that prediction, I want you to remember that before we crashed last year around here, 2 weeks before this crash, I warned my subscribers to get out of the market. Alright? And then the first week of March, right here, I asked the guys to go long, and we went long, and we stayed. We stayed long. We never ever initiated any short positions between this point and somewhere around there. Once we got there, we went short, and the market did have a fake move, but it's since rolled over. So we've been short pretty much for the last 2 weeks, and the stock started moving in our direction as of last week. So what I'm predicting right now is and remember, between this move here when everybody was saying the market was gonna tank, I asked my guys to continue staying long, and it was a fruitful rally, almost 13 straight days to the upside on the Nasdaq at one point, and every day I said it's gonna go higher, and it did. So this video is not going to be promoted because there are people on my site who are paying for this information. So I just want to put it out there on record that I think by end of 2009, or if not early 2000, then early 2010, somewhere around now, late 2009 or early 2010, more than likely we are going to be making multi-year lows on the world markets. And between this point and this point, I remember I asked you guys to avoid the ultra short ETFs because they would crash, and some of the stocks like FAZ would eventually go to lose, and SRS, after my warning, would eventually go to lose about 50%, if not more, in that time period. So this video is just for the record. I believe eventually, despite everybody saying that the market is gonna go higher right now, I'm telling you, be careful. We are headed to new lows. Down. Believe. Eric Muadhe with Muadhe.com. Peace and blessings.